Hi there, welcome back to another video, welcome back to another Quick Win Wednesday. In this video we're going to actually calculate the days that are still left in this year to work, because we have a straight deadline and we have our last working day at the 20th of December, so we need to know how many days we have left to work on. So basically that's all the days minus the weekends, and that's it. But we're going to do that with Carbon, and where we're going to use a filtered function. So let's dive into it. Okay, so we have this test command, which is empty, and we're going to start off with defining the start date, and the start date is going to actually, going to be carbon now, and we're going to say the start of day. Like that. So this is going to create a carbon date timestamp with the value of the start of the day. And well, we have a deadline, of course, so deadline date, and we're going to define that with create of 2024, the 12th month and the 20th, and we're also going to use start of day. You can use end of day, doesn't matter. I like to have all my dates start of day. So we're going to define the days that we have left. So days left equals to, and we're going to use start date, and we're going to diffInDaysFiltered, like that. And this is actually taking on a callback function. There's a closure with a callback, a second date, and then an optional boolean, which is an absolute value. So we're going to spread this out, and we're going to define a function, and that function will do something for us, and we're going to add the second date, which is the deadline date, in here. All right, so that will basically be the function. The function will have a carbon date, of course, carbon date, because that's the date that we're passing into, and we're going to return when the date is a weekday, like that. So whenever the date is a weekday compared to the deadline, we're going to use it, otherwise we're not. So let's dump or die the days that we have left. There we go. So this should basically give us, we're the 18th right now, so until the 20th of December, that would be around 24 days. So let's run the test command. There we go, 24 days. And if we turn that around, like is weekend, like that, we have the days in the weekend. So we have 8 rest days, and we have 24 working days left. And we can also do a lot of other things with it. So for example, start date, and instead of diffInDays filtered, we can also do diffInHours filtered, and that gives us the opportunity to filter the amount of hours we have left to work on. Based on, this will be based on the start of day, but we can use another day hour in there or something like that. I stumbled upon this by accident, and I kind of like this carbon function, and I think I will be using it a lot more in the future. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in one of the next ones. Take care. Bye bye.